Had to transfer my blood orange over here because it was burning. I think it started yesterday. Look at these leaves. Burned. Hold on. There you go. Burnt leaves. More burnt leaves. So I had to put it over here for now in the shades until it get used to the sun. And then also put the blueberry also over here because the leaves is burning too. So I don't know about my other ones, but these two at least are in the shade. Yeah, this one is burning too, and it's only 96 degrees today. Oh my god, that means I also have to put this in the shade for now. My gulay got some pretty flowers. Look how pretty the color is. And then this one. Happy. Hopefully the seeds on this one will spread everywhere. Same thing with this one. So I don't have to buy.